collaboration with Hannah Montana. Say what? Hey y'all, it's me, Steffi, and yes, I'm a shorty. As you can see from this title, I recently purchased a Hannah Montana collection from ColourPop. As someone who watches Hannah Montana when she was a teen and she made it as her whole lifestyle. Hi, I was that teenager. You know I was waiting for this for so long. But I'm not gonna open on my own. I'm gonna open with you guys. So I have my package with me. As you could tell, I bought it. It's not a PR. And honestly, I'm super excited for this. Let's do this! Okay, where's the tape? Here. Almost there? Okay, 5, 4, 1. Okay, just bubble wrap at first. Receipt. Oh my goodness. Man, too much bubble wraps. I hate those. But this is so cool. Look at this. Okay, it's not really that organized professional like influencer videos you see, but still, you see all. Let's see what we have. So we got the eye palette that has 16 shades. So these two are the shimmery lip gloss keychains, the roll-on body glitter, 4 of these lippy kits, the eyeliner and star stamp, which I can't wait to try this out, and of course the little Hannah Montana star hair clip. So I already applied my base. Now let's try this out. Alright, so this is the eye palette, and here are the whoa, this is so cute. Yeah, Parea Diamonds, Backstage Pass, Sweet Nimbleness, Ordinary Girl, Find Your Way, Lily, Seaview High, Miles, Secret Identity, Guitar Cutie, Olipop, Nashville, Soul Out Tour, #1 hits, Robbie Ray, and 2 Lives. That's amazing! And I just love how they set this out. Because you have one side of Hannah Montana, rockstar vibe, all those rockstar colors, superstar colors here. And then you have Miley Cyrus, well, Miley Stewart. Miley Stewart over here. And then you got like those neutral, soft tones. And I really love it. I really love it a lot. You can say, it's the best of both worlds. Since now I'm like channeling my inner Miley Stewart, I'm gonna try this side of her. Okay, I don't know which colors I should pick. Okay, I'm gonna try Ordinary Girl and Miles. Okay, I'm just gonna use the finger to try it out because it's faster and I recently washed my makeup brushes. Okay, let's see how it looks. Let's see. Ah, all natural. And I'm gonna apply it on my left side as well. I kind of like it, but it's like not too much pigment there. But still, it's fine if you just want like a chill day at home kind of look. You know what, I'm gonna try Miles with this brush. Okay, let's see how it looks. Not bad. To be honest, this is my first time doing makeup on camera, so I don't know if I'm applying it right. In fact, let me get my mirror, it'll be easier. So one of my palettes has a mirror, so I'm gonna apply it properly. Yeah, it's definitely cute. I really like it. Okay, so we're done with the color palette. Thank you, girls. So there's 2 sets of the lip products. One is Malibu Dreaming that has Take It Slow Lippy Pencil, and this is the Life and Lippy Stick. And the other one is Rock Sensation that has a lippy pencil that's called Rock at the Show and the lipstick called Smooth Talking. I seriously love these products that has like the song reference. That's so cute. Even though I'm gonna do a Miley look, let's do Rock Sensation because based on what it has, it's more of like a natural look. Okay. Oh my god, that's so cute! Give me the pencil! Oh my gosh, look at the little graphic over here, the little star graphic. That is amazing. I love it. Let's try out with the pencil first. Not bad. Not bad. And now with the lippy stick. Oh yeah, not bad. Oh my gosh, I really like this color on me. Good thing we try a Rock Sensation. And of course, my lip isn't done without the lip glosses. I'm going to open them both because I want to see how they look like so badly. So this is a Secret Superstar. Oh my god, that's so cute. And this is a Keeping It Real. Oh, I love this teal color. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I love it. I'm sorry, I'm so awed by this. I think this is perfect not only for your inner pop star, maybe your inner like Mary princess if you want a Disney band that's Ariel. Look at the little keychains. You have a star and you have a butterfly. That's amazing. But I really want to try out Secret Superstar first. Let's see how it looks. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Yeah, I really like it. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this on my knuckle because I really want to see how it looks like. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a cool shimmery colors there. And honestly, these two colors not only remind me like mermaids, but it just remind me of when I was little. I used to have like these lip glosses, these type of lip glosses. It's like nostalgic for me. I love it. And also my money looking not bad at all. Now my favorite part. The eyeliner! I can't wait to try it! Ah! But I don't want to ruin the package! Got it! Oh! Look at this! Ah! Okay, I'm not really the best in eyeliner, but I'm gonna try. Alright? Oh, not bad. Okay, I said it too soon. I jinxed it. Okay, it's not bad. I like it. I like it like that. Now we got the left one, which is worse because I'm right-handed. And don't you hate it when it's like one side looks good and the other side you mess it up? Girl struggle. Not bad. But I feel like I put this one longer than the other one. So let me like try to fix that. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad. Now, the moment we all been waiting for, well, I waited for so long. The stamp! Look at it! Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like that. That's awesome. So I'm gonna apply it on my left side as well. That's amazing. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it so much. This is my favorite product now. I love it. Now, I cannot complete my look without the body glitter. Ooh, pretty cute. I don't really wear it, but to try on, I'm just gonna try it on for you guys. See? Whoa, that's amazing. Roll it around. Highlighter, I can use it. There we go. Okay, there was like liquidy here. But you can see, oh yeah, I love it. Oh my god, I really like this look. Wait, I'm not even done. I forgot this. Right, here we go. Wow, where's the scissors? Let's free this baby. Good thing I didn't put any hair clip on my ponytail, so let's just put it. Okay. You cannot see it, or you can. I cannot see it, but it's there. Oh yeah, I'm definitely to rock out. I have to rate this collection 10 out of 10. The body glitter gave me the nostalgic feel. I used to wear them when I was little. The two lip glosses are so adorable. The lip product is subtle yet pigmented. And it's really cute to go out or your everyday look. No comment. It's just a 10 out of 10 for this. And of course, my favorite, the eye palette. And if you're planning to get them, let me know in the comments below which product's your favorite. And I put the link on the description box in case you want to get one of your own. Thank you so much for unboxing with me. In the meantime, bye!